Introducing the Nutshell Cooler, a sustainable, collapsible cooler made from coconuts. The husk of a coconut is a natural marvel. It protects the water inside, keeping it cool in the heat and safe when it falls. But it's nothing more than waste for farmers. We spent years working alongside farmers and engineers in the Philippines, turning this waste into insulation for the Nutshell Cooler. The Nutshell Cooler is collapsible, so you can store it just about anywhere. It features a detachable liner for easy cleaning. There's ample insulation for a long day out, and plenty of space to keep friends fed and refreshed. Join the Nutshell community and contribute to a more hopeful, innovative, and sustainable world.